All right, to those of you who have a QX-747 by Pioneer, this is an early quad, or I don't know, maybe an early mid-70s quad, maybe even other variants of this model. Your symptom is you turn this on, and between 1 to 3 minutes of being on, you get a really loud pop in the speaker, the protection circuit goes off, audio's cut, and then about 2 seconds later, 3 seconds, it's back on. And then it's smooth sailing for however long you have it on. This guy's original, 100% original caps. It doesn't have a lot of hours because it has all original bulbs. But what I found out is that there are two like voltage regulator type transistors that go bad. And this video will walk you through the replacement of them. We'll see if this is successful. I'm not big on doing complete detailed step-by-step, so I'm kind of assuming you know how to replace things, but we'll see if this fixes it, as everybody on the internet seems to think. All right, we got the QX-747 open. I've had this open before, but I found there's one D313. There's another one up there. They're on some pretty big heat sinks, so these guys must get really hot. It's probably why they fail. And here's my replacements I got from China, and I don't know what brand they are, but the fact is, I'm sure they're better than what's in here if they're 50 years newer, and as long as they work, because I'm not going to be replacing, not going to be running this that often. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and see how I can get this out without taking the whole thing apart. Looks like this comes out pretty easily. I should be able to get those unscrewed and replaced without having to do too much more disassembly. Gosh, I just wonder how many of these other transistors are going to go bad in the next 10 years. But anyways, these are known to go bad. So the D313s. So let me go ahead and get those replaced. Okay, the new ones are in there. Here are the old ones. And what's interesting is, I guess after 40, 50 years, we're finding out that some transistors, maybe these are voltage regulators, I don't know. Some of these just don't hold up the way we thought they did. Because, I mean, you look here for early 70s technology, there's a lot of stuff that can go wrong in here. But anyways, I got those replaced. I'm going to go ahead and power it up shortly. I'm going to trust that I don't need to put, I don't need to test it without the cover on. I'm going to go ahead and just put this back together and do it because it's a straightforward fix. Okay, we can dance if we want to. This is the safety dance by Men Without Hats. Anyways, this is working really well. I just turned it on. It's been on for like a minute. Usually within 1 minute, there would be one heck of a pop in the right speaker. Maybe left, but the right. And then the protection circuit would go off and then come back on. But it looks to be fixed, so I'm hoping that fix, which I learned from the good old internet, is the one that'll permanently get this going. So anyways, we will see what happens over time.